Within the monastery's peaceful confines, Sonam and Lobsang ponder world conflicts.
Lobsang, do you ever ponder why, in a world so vast and varied, humans often resort to war to resolve their differences?
The tranquility here is so palpable, yet somewhere beyond these mountains, there is turmoil and suffering caused by endless conflicts.
Lobsang, heaviness in every word, speaks of war's destruction. The room feels the weight of war's cruel aftermath. Sonam inhales deeply, the monastery's peace permeating his being. He exhales, infusing the air with his resolve for healing. Under the fading starlight, Sonam arranges ceremonial items with great care. The pair bow in unison, their prayer for peace a silent yet powerful entreaty. The smoke from Lobsang's incense blurs into the chill pre-dawn air. Sonam and Lobsang venture into a village where humble stone houses nestle under the watchful gaze of the mountains. They move from home to home, sharing teachings that echo with the sound of sincerity and warmth. The monk's influence is palpable as the air fills with a sense of shared compassion and the paths to inner peace are illuminated. The monastery's influence extends, touching hearts far and wide. Villagers come, drawn to the monk's insights. The village stirs with optimism for a future of kindness. Throughout the war-stricken land, a legacy was being forged. Sonam and Lobsang, hand in hand, became emblems of love and goodness. Their unwavering beliefs ignited courage, guiding many towards peace.